पूछो जाके उनसे जिन पे रोशनी नहीं, पूछो जाके उनसे कैसी लगती है कमी।
Nighat Shadab this side. I welcome you all to the Opto Hub, a platform of interaction, learning, growing, and growing. In today's session, you will get to know about multifocal contact lens by Optom Ankit Varshney sir. He's working as the assistant professor at Sri Bharati Maya College of Optometry and Physiotherapist, Surat, and also working as a consultant optometrist at iView Laser Vision, Keshvi Eye Hospital and Changvi Eye Hospital, Surat. Simultaneously, he is pursuing PhD in optometry from V. Nirmat South Gujarat University. Welcome to the Opto Hub, sir. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. You guys can follow our Facebook page to know more about sessions and to get the more update about the sessions and to know more about the optometry related stuff as in memes, videos, posts, etc. And can join our Telegram page also to get the session updates. Thank you so much and quiz discussions also and much more. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation. Over to you now. Please go ahead.
Okay, so this was a case of near vision problem with the patient. So if you can see here, we can adjust the near vision problem with either of these two rule of thumb. So either you can add plus 0.25 in the non-dominant eye, or you can change to high add in the non-dominant eye when possible. So here we have adjusted in three best possible ways, and we can find which works well. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. If you have any issues with this case, please let me know, and you can also type in the chat box as well. Okay, so availabilities in India. So if you can see, in India we have many companies who are providing multifocal contact lenses like Johnson and Johnson, Bausch and Lomb, Cooper Vision. So all these companies provide multifocal contact lens, but the important thing is the design, the the what we call the simultaneous design they are providing, where you can see a concentric pattern, or you can see an spheric pattern, or you can see a diffractive pattern design. And again, whether particular design is giving center near or distance, that thing you need to understand, and then you have to dispense particular design to that particular patient according to its need. Okay, so these are certain availabilities of multifocal which I have kept here. Okay, even you will see a seed multifocal contact lens in market from Cooper Vision. Okay, so just an important note to you all that in India, yet we are not having a multifocal toric contact lens. So if the patient or the prescription is higher than one diopter, what you can do is you can give a multifocal contact lens, but you need to explain the patient that your distance vision and your near vision will be compromised to a certain extent. So you need to tell them beforehand only. Or if the astigmatism is less than one diopter, you can do an spherical equivalent, you can manage with vertex distance conversion, and accordingly you can give a prescription, and then see the vision for distance and near, and see whether it is not getting worse than 6 by 9 or an 8. If it is getting worse than 6 by 9 or an 8, then you need to be cautious with the patient, because then the contact lens will not work well to its expectations. Okay, so just a simple what we call the counseling of how to convert the patient into multifocal contact lens. So you need to manage the patient's expectations. So if you can see here, it's a sort of a sandwich technique, burger, where you can see a bread and you will see a stuff between these two breads. Okay, so you need to explain the benefits first of multifocal contact lenses or the design. Then you need to tell in a positive manner how to adjust with this design. You cannot go in a negative manner that these designs are not working well in these conditions, or these are not comfortable. You cannot talk in this manner. What you can do is you can explain that you need to adjust a bit for certain conditions. So this is how you need to manage these contact lenses. And again, at the end, after discussing all these things, you need to explain the benefits of multifocal contact lens at the end. So this is how it works. So otherwise, if you are ending up with an adjustment or a negative point, the patient will not take a contact lens. So this is how we manage the patient, we counsel the patient, we increase the market of penetration of multifocal contact lenses. Okay, so there are multiple tips of dispensing contact lens, but because of bounded time, we cannot explain all the points today. But let's see certain tips of delivery. Like you can use a concave mirror or magnifying mirror at the time of insertion or removal, or at the time when the patient is wearing for the first time. Remind patient reading lamp can always help reading. So when they are using a contact lens, multifocal contact lens, tell them that reading with a lamp or an additional illumination is an additional benefit for near vision. Again, wearing sunglasses in bright light also improve their distance vision, because the pupil will not be constricted to that amount, and your multifocal actually they works on a pupil intelligent design. So the pupil will not react more in the bright light when they are wearing sunglasses. Okay, remind patient for follow-ups. Regular follow-ups are necessary. Also, tuning of RX after adaptation may also solve significant problems. So uh, uh, you cannot give a yearly contact lens and you will ask the patient to come after a year, because certain times if there is a systemic illness, because these all are presbyopic patients, many patients will have a problem of a systemic illness like diabetes or hypertension. So there to tune the RX whether it is same or stable or not. Okay, so you need to prescribe a proper glasses which is needed along with your multifocal an important point for all of us, because it's an eye opener for all. We always think that contact lenses are not more in benefit for the profit margin is very less with contact lens. No, it is not the truth. Okay, so initial patients. Okay, so what you can do is, when you are dispensing or prescribing multifocal contact lenses, you can give a pair of progressive spectacle or a reading glasses. So it's an additional business to you. You can give a fashionable sunglasses which can be dispensed when they are going for outdoor work. Okay, again you can give contact lens related products like your solutions, your lens case. You can give many things along with your multifocal contact lens. These contact lens will increase loyalty. Okay, and this will increase your patient's footfall over your counter. Okay, and you will have an extra patient referral, like the presbyopic patients kids, their parents will also come because of that loyalty to you. Okay, so multifocal contact lens will give you an extra business along with the contact lens itself. Okay, just to summarize, multifocal contact lens are especially for presbyopic patients, but yes, nowadays we are giving it for myopia control, to restrict the myopia progression. You can give it to a pseudophakic patients. You can give to patients with accommodative esotropia, which actually works well to some extent. Again, patients with 40s, early 40s to till late 50s, it works well. Correction is independent of other side defects. So yes, because if the patient is having difficulties with progressive spectacles, or with there is a prismatic effect in spectacles, these correcting modalities are a better option. We have many designs in multifocal contact lenses. We have many options to the presbyopic patients, like we can go for monovision contact lenses, you can go for alternating or translating design contact lenses, or you can give a simultaneous multifocal contact lenses like concentric pattern, aspheric pattern, or diffractive pattern. So this is how it works. Just a closing thought: get over your fear. So don't restrict yourself. Each and every presbyopic patient is your multifocal patient. Don't restrict with any specific patient. Okay, and don't restrict with any sort of occupation. You can go and dispense to anyone. Practice more and more. Build your expertise. Be the expert. Make your loyalty. Make increase your referral. This how it works, and take advantage of each and every opportunity that is available in your counter or in your optometric practice. So don't restrict yourself. Don't hold your hands and wait for the opportunity. Build your own opportunity, which will increase your growth in your optical store or your clinic. Okay. So thank you everyone for a patient listener, and I hope many points are clear to you. And if you have any query, please you can ask in today's session, or you can also mail me or WhatsApp me uh, later also. Okay. So please start.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for explaining very well.
Thank you.